Hey guys, so as you can see, this is my tripod. So the first time I brought this along with something called a smartphone holder because I did not really have a professional camera. But what's going on is nobody knows how to exactly join these. A few people who know, but many new people who are new to the camera business, smartphones, reviewers, I did not know. So I am here presenting you a review of how to do this. As you can see, this upper part is clearly the mobile holder part, and the bottom part is which is the part which is supposed to sit near the smartphone, near the tripod. Okay, here there's a knob present. Give me a few seconds and then I'll loosen up the knob and then you'll see what happens. So as you can see, this is the knob which hasn't been loosened, and this is the smartphone holder. So this will go back to the tripod and this will be kept separately for another video maybe. Okay, that's all. Bye.